Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. So this is a camera. It is a photographic apparatus which used to expose the film. This whole area here is called the lens. The lens includes the aperture ring and the focusing ring. This one in the front is called the focusing ring. It lets you adjust the clearness and the sharpness of the subject. And this one near the camera body is called the aperture ring. Aperture ring controls the amount of light that enters the camera. And this one here, this one is the lens, right? This one is the body. It is essential because it excludes all the unwanted light that might expose the film.
What? The body?
Yes, sir. It's the body. Or the light tight box. This one is the shutter release button. This is the button that you press to take a photo. And then this one here, this mechanism here is called the shutter speed dial. It is a plastic or metallic material something. In here includes the shutter speed. The shutter speed controls the duration which the shutter opens and closes. And this one is called the film advance lever. They say this is broken, right? This lever moves the exposed film from one spool to another. You use it like this. Okay, so you
What function are yan?
you push that there, and then you press the shutter release button to take a photo. And then this here is the viewfinder. It is a optical or electrical device used to show the entire scene that can be recorded in the film. So this one on the top here is called the hot shoe. It is a metallic slot that to insert accessories like flash or microphones and etc. This one here is the film rewind knob. The use of this is to open the back of the camera. You pull it upwards, then you pull it up a little more, the back of the camera opens. Inside the camera, here is the film holder. The film holder is where you put the film, which it holds the film firmly. And this one here in the center is called the shutter. This one is the one that opens and closes. It serves as the barrier of light. And this one here is the take-up spool. This is where you insert the film leader. So this is the area where the exposed film is stored. So let's go back to the front. This one here is called the depth of field preview button.
Like look at your left side. At your left side. That is the depth of field. The bottom there, below.
Below, sir?
Yeah.
This is the depth of field preview button. It temporarily stops the aperture to show the final depth of field preview button. For example, you are editing an image, and now you're done editing an image. There's a button there in your app, which if you press, you will see the raw image. And when you press it again, you will see the edited image. Basically, that button there is called it's like a depth of field preview button. Like the name suggests, it's a preview button. So let's go back to the back camera. So this is film. It is a sensitized material. the way you insert this is by there are two ways to determine how you insert the film. First is you fill the bottom, which is just flat, and the top is some kind of, there's a curve here. Or you can determine, because when doing or taking the film out of this box in the dark room chamber, it's completely dark. So you have to determine whether how you will know to insert the film. The other way is to fill the top of the film, which is flat, and also fill the bottom of the film, which is there's a something a little bit. So this is put in the bottom, like this. Insert the film like this, and then you press the rewind knob down to lock the film inside. And then this is the film leader. You put it in the take-up spool.
That is what functional.
So, when you insert the film, when you put the film leader in the take-up spool, you need to push the lever and then push the release button twice or thrice, depends on you. And then after that, you close back the camera to take a photo. And then when you're done, for example, this film holds up to 36 shots. After you're done taking all the 36, you will take the film outside the film holder. So this is the eventual close, right? To open again, you just pull the one knob up, and then the back one
You
opens.
cannot remove the film without press winding it. You
When-
need to press the rewind button and then rotate the rewind crown. Then when you wear the strap, then you need to pull up the rewind knob in order to get the film.
To get this film outside, you have to pull this rewind crank and then push the rewind button at the bottom of the camera. And then there's a arrow here which lets you know where you are supposed to wind the film.
Okay, oops. Remove. Pull down the rewind knob. Remove.
Good morning everyone. So we are the center for today. My role is to demonstrate, your role is to identify the parts, while this role is to state the functions. So what is a camera? A camera is a type of box which uses light to write images. It is also used it is especially used for investigation purposes. In instances, it refreshes the investigator's memory because it records the photographs. So first, I remove this part right here.
What we have here is the lens.
So a lens is a glass molded into curve shape that is responsible for focusing the ray of light coming from the subject.
Next is this.
The second one is the lens aperture.
Lens aperture, which is allows to light to strike into the film.
Next is this.
The third one is the lens closure.
This is the lens closure, which is allows the light to strike into the film.
The fourth one is the lens opening.
Next is this one right here.
So the third one is the viewfinder.
Viewfinder is an optical that used to compose a scene. It shows the scene coverage that can be recorded into the film and inside the camera.
Next is for
So the fourth one is the light of the box.
That type of a very important part of the camera that it omits capability to exclude the unwanted light from the film.
next is this one right here.
So that one is the shutter speed dial.
Shutter speed dial it is to control the duration of opening and closing the shutter.
Next is this one.
The next one is the shutter release button.
Shutter release button it is used to control the amount of time during which light is allowed to enter the camera.
Last one is this one.
So the last one we have here is the film advancer.
Film advancer it is a mechanism for moving the film from one spool to another.
That is all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.